Other countries are doing something developmental. Bali mko bayimbi sente kola studio. Enye bazitukolera ki? Uganda doesn't even export music. I don't even get it. What's the music for? Uganda doesn't export music. Music where Uganda tafuluma ne Kenya tatuka. Tafuluma. I'm yet to see a Ugandan musician and Jawa Lunaku Gundi Nini. Yes, no performing a Kenya 2 days in a while. Just begin Kenya Riba performing, give up whatever Nakin to make music where Uganda has become an export. It's not even an export. So why are they investing in it? Why are they investing in musicians? What if you're free and only no kuniga? But musician you Uganda to take a seat, but we are batching. In the video to Chameleon, you're performing our Chameleon performing our. Yakomya o sente meka. Mutubuli yabana nze sasula omusolo Uganda, so I'm very concerned about these things. Fetusa sula omusolo Uganda, mambo mbera uchibichi fetusa sula tuna zitiru namba tuina kesi zetu duwa omusolo sasula omusolo gwa buli ka Uganda. Import duty. Kesi ajana na kusoloza wali ku kliniki. Yeah, I've got every right okuuza sente ziragawa kubanga ze msasula omusolo. You people, they shouldn't be paying these people. The fact that he's a musician, career ye, I know kubanga sobolo kwebezawo. That is your business ye. Omuyimbi omulimu go kuyimba, tebalina musasula te kuyimba. Why should the government pay you okuyimba or business yo kuyimba? Gendo oyimbe kola show yimbe osoloze sente. Osasuleko osasuddeko. The government shouldn't be paying you. Pay you for what?